Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.